on, BB. Let's open this together.
Is it the last one?
Is it the last one, Toss?
I think so.
I think it'd be better open up the. Or you think this?
Somebody gave that to them.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be in charge of that.
Give it to me. Come on. Go down. I'm ready. Wait, who's this from?
You take the ball.
Some friends of ours gave to y'all.
Family, friends.
I'll take the picture off.
No, not now.
I don't know.
Do you know what's inside? So we don't have to weep.
That sucks.
That's funny. I mean, it ain't really funny, but. Avery said that sucks. Well, that wasn't our gift, so you can't blame that one on us.
What kind of gift is this? If you don't know anybody that has a Wii, why would you give them a
Jessica got one, don't she?
Yeah.
We give it to her.
It's styrofoam.
You know, that'd be a good idea. Why not wrap it up?
We'll have to tell our friends
Well, that doo-doos.
they don't even have a Wii.
Who is our friend?
I can't tell you who that is, but all I know is we gonna laugh at her today.
This is kind of disappointing.
I know. I thought it was a Wii, didn't you?
I know, because I saw when it was up there like this, and when I looked at it like that, it said Wii, and so I thought it was a Wii, but then...
It was stupid.
Yeah, this is kind of...
That was a rip-off.
This is a rip-off.
I know.
It's a real.
Well, I'm gonna call him and tell him that was the biggest thing.
I know.
That's kind
No,
of
anybody
funny.
who have a Wii, give it to him. If you know.
Do what?
If you know that they have a Wii.
Here's one more present that Santa did drop off.
Popcorn.
Come on, let's open it. It's trash. Right? Everyone told you. Yes, 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 yes. I win.
Oh, don't knock him out over there, please.
Y'all thought that was a crazy present, didn't you?
It comes with Wii Sports.
What do you think about it, Avery?
What do you think about it? It's a Wii. We gotta call somebody.
Never call.
Hey, now you want me to tell y'all who got the first gift for y'all? Who y'all think? Think of who we were talking to.
Auntie Carmen.
Yes, sir.
Call her on
It was a good trick.
you put it on a house phone and call her at y'all's house, Brian, because something's wrong with her phone.
Breeze, Avery, Tom.
Carmen's phone, because she didn't even call me on her own phone this morning. She called me on Brian's phone. No, don't call her on her phone. Call Mimi's phone.
Well, I got the phone. Yeah.
The computer's
Yeah, I'll turn the computer off.
Brad, what do you want to do with this?
Oh my goodness. So surprised we got one.
Look at that. Look at that. You
So,
open it.
when Daddy said y'all got one nice, really gift.
I know. I mean it. I'd rather get just this gift than all those other gifts.
I told Avery, remember the bag I told you, I think we're getting away, remember that?
Why'd you think that?
Oh no, I just thought because last year we were...
But then I told Gabriel, Mom would never do that. It's beautiful. I love you.
I'll put our speaker.
It's beautiful.
Whoever brought this, I love you.
I love you too.
Auntie Carmi, we heard the gift that you...
I love you too, son.
that you got us.
I love you, son.
You got us the Wii, knocking stuff, and then you didn't get the Wii at first. We were so mad. We were like, this is a ripoff. We don't even have a Wii yet. And then we got the Wii. Oh my goodness.
You first opened up the thing that I got.
Yeah.
You didn't have no Wii, y'all were mad.
Yeah, we were really mad. We were disappointed. We were like,
They said,
What? We don't even have a Wii.
they said, who would give us a gift like this? That sucks. And so that sucks.
Yeah.
Gabriel, how do you open it? Dad, how will we hook it to the TV, Dad?
We have to
We
figure it
have to
all
do
out as we
that.
go, guys.
No, my pleasure. No.
We're just doing one thing at a time.
Oh, yeah.
Figure it out as we
We
go.
gotta be anti-carpet. Oh.
I'm so hot right now.
Well, you thought they won the lottery.
Hey, yeah, Bree.
Uh-huh.
Call Steph on Mimi's home phone.
Okay.
I was like, that's dude. Who would give us?
call him
That's a ripoff.
I don't have a home phone.
I know.
Hold on.
That went crazy. It's
Hold on.
wasn't it?
I'll hit the computer back up.
How much
so
did
y'all
it
can-
cost?
We can't tell that.
Oh, I know. It cost like $1.99.
It cost $1.99.
$20.99.
You left the price tag on her.
Okay, well, $1.99.
It was a good trick when you did it in the
Don't
trash.
pass out.
Hey, you can say the price tag cost that
We
much.
got 2 of them.
I know. That's what it comes in with. Okay.
Don't drop it.
Well, come here, Mama.
What?
Let you film a little bit while I get the phone ready.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna call.
Here's a holder. That's just off the hook.
Y'all were so funny. Everything
Rip-off.
that sucks.
Oh, you gotta hook this up to the TV.
Baby, let us just get. They want Auntie Carmen want to talk to y'all. We got the biggest part right there. Okay.
Avery, don't drop it. Don't drop it.
You got that? Way to keep it with all your life. Where'd mine go? Oh, no.
Oh, look, we got nunchuck.
We only got one number. Where's the other? Where's the other?
Some of y'all you probably need to
Where's
get
the
up.
other thing? Where's mine?
Where's the other controller? I know.
Beard, get up, and then you'll be able to see for some of the.
Hello? Hold on. Hello?
Where's that?
Yes, we did. Yes. Yeah, we got like the Wii Sports and then we got your present.
Birthday